So what you see here is various type of content pieces that whether it was employees or influencers created, and some of it was more awareness about the differences. In some cases, it actually got into some very technical details of how to use a particular application. So we became a source of knowledge and a source of education. Not only did we drive, awareness about what makes these tablets unique from the other tablets that exist in the marketplace.
And so influencer employees is selected, and by sort of opting in the program, they can be, you sent the product to them, obviously, and if they needed help getting set up, you could do that or whatever. But basically, it was the way the program worked just tactically was use this tablet and talk about Intel. We have some content that sort of raw material content, right? Photos and product specs and things like that, if you need access to that, which you can share with your audience, but really create stories, create content in your own words, and then share it to your social graphs.
Yeah, absolutely. There's two things that I want to highlight. We seeded the tablets to our employees and our influencers, and one thing as part of those conversations is that you said go out there and tell your story. And in some cases, you may not have a story to tell because you still prefer your iPad. So we wanted to make sure. I think the thing about social and to keep in mind is like stay true to what social is about. It is about being yourself and telling stories that you actually believe in and stories that you're very passionate. So that was one. And two, what was really important, what we recognized is that if you were to leave I think more specifically the employees in the wild, wild west, and you tell them, here's your Intel tablet, now go create content, I think they would be lost. And so what we did was working with Social Chorus and individuals on my team is that every week there was a question